Hello, everybody. Brian here from quantlabs.net. Okay, let's take a look at the markets for last few days. So here we are, July 23rd. It is 17:06 p.m. So you can see here the markets have been up slightly. Actually, I shouldn't say slightly, about 1%, 0.5%. Everything's looking okay and functioning as normal. Bonds are up as well, which kind of weird, and how with the markets up, they should be down, but that's how the story everything is. Forex is mixed as usual, and our other digital asset space that we focus on is mixed, and international is up. So everything's looking pretty good, but let's check it all out here. So if you want to know more on what I do, just come over to the contact menu option at the top of my website, quantlabs.net. Make sure you participate in the best performing asset class out of there, regulated and out of the US. I'll say no more beyond that because it's considered dangerous content on YouTube. So here we go. So here's MotorWave as usual. The first one, surprise here, is I kind of thought this was going to happen, and you can see here this fairly big increase with France in Europe. France 40 has done quite well since the 18th. Currencies I don't really focus on as much anymore. It's just they're very unpredictable. Gold decline. That's gold in Euro, Britain. There are better places to put your money. I'll show those in a minute. Gold in Swiss franc, Euro, silver, really going nowhere and going nowhere fast. Gold in yen, silver in yen, and silver in Singapore. Now, this is another interesting one, is China. It's been in a very solid decline since May 23rd year, and really mixed signals. I just, again, one of those indices I ignore. But this one, the France 40, is quite interesting. Same with the Euro 50. So who knows what's going on there. I'm not seeing Germany at all performing, but France is. So go figure. Japan 225 is somewhat performing as well. But again, we're not seeing the US exchanges. Thailand, flat, can't be bothered. I forgot to also look at the calls. So we got longs here for the Japanese 225. US 10-year down or short, 30-year bond shorts, 5-year shorts. So something's going to flip in the US. At what point, I don't know. USD Japanese yen is got its continued short there. Sugar bouncing around, classic mean reverting. Look at gold. Gold has been in decline. So when you hear about this inflation, it's just not happening anymore. I'm hearing less and less of it. Definitely out there, but it's not top of mind for sure. So continuing along, New Zealand, USD declining and flat. Okay, here's our first one. This is an interesting one, is copper. It is bouncing back here a little bit, but these type of spikes, there is a slight long there. Something to watch. This might be a good one to jump back into, I should say. Platinum, don't worry about it. It's not going anywhere. I'm actually declining. UK 100 has got a long, but it's not performing like Euro 50 or France markets. USD CHF really going nowhere. Same with the USD Sweden, Denmark. Not a big fan of these. I've given up on currencies. Gold in Canada, gold in pound, all falling. Continuing on with the New Zealand, Singapore, slight long there, silver. Not even worth really worrying about. Very temporary moves here. Australia is doing okay with its long there. It looks solid, but again, you just don't know. China 50, we've talked about that. It's got a slight long. Well, actually, a long there doesn't mean anything. So we're on the very good score. Just not much going on out there. Deutsche 10-year, it's really just kind of choppy. Well, not choppy, just kind of mumbo jumbo. It's moving up, but I don't know what direction it's going in. Hong Kong 33 is looking flat. Same with India 50 and its mean reverting pattern. But the 225, Singapore again weakening. Singapore 30, that is. UK 100. Okay, here's our first US exchange. Is the Russell. It's long, but it's been dropping quite a bit there. Another short on the US 30-year bond. USD and China won flat, but again, mean reverting. Same with the USD INR rupee, USD 5-year complete mess there. Let's see what else you got here. USD Sweden flat, Turkey declining. Okay, sugar. Okay, let's look at wheat first. Fruit, we had a rally here. Now it's starting to taper back. It started July 18th. Sugar mean reverting, range bound. Corn had a peak. Now it's flat, even declining there. Copper, slight increase there. Who knows what will happen after that? And that's it. So out of that, we got more. When you look at natural gas, that's starting to rally again. Really nice as well. Copper has been flat. Wondering if that will start to rally a little bit. WTI crude, by that dip move, has turned out to be profitable. Copper there. I think that's it. Oh yes, I forgot the currency that you should know about, USD Thai baht. Nice solid rally there as well. So again, if you want to know more, just go over to the quantlabs.net and then hit the contact page, fill out your info, and you'll be good to go. Thanks for watching.